Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to check credit card application status on DBS account. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So first thing before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection, and then without any further delay, let us get started. As you open up your DBS application, then you'll have to log in into your account. So you can either use a touch, face ID or Digibank user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, on the other page, this is what the interface is going to look like, and then you'll have to tap on more in the bottom right corner of your screen. After you tap on more, next you'll have to scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on application status. As soon as you tap on application status, next page you'll have to tap on submitted to view your application date and status. So then the detail will be displayed on your screen, and once you're done, you'll have to tap on completed in the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you can check your credit card application status on DBS account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.